MACTFORDEDGE, and we have the recall. I know this has been in the Facebook group and on YouTube. A lot of people have addressed it, and some are saying it's the end of the world and all this other stuff. And it very well is the end of the world if it happens to you. It is paramount to get these brake lines fixed, but an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, as they say. So if you have any one of these vehicles that have the brake line problems, you need to get down there and check them. If you see bulging, if you see leaking or anything like that, that's nixing on the driving, because you don't know when it's gonna break. So you need to take action. Hang on to your receipts. Take it to Ford and have it repaired out of your nickel, and then ask for reimbursement. Okay, and under this recall, they will reimburse you. So yeah, hang on to your receipts, important. But basically, on August 12th, Ford Motor Company issued a safety recall not only on the 2015 through 2018 Ford Edge built from June 25th, 2014 to December 21st, 2017. So yes, it will include the 18s because they were building them in 17. So not all the 18s are included in this. So let's just keep that in mind. The 2016 to 2018 Lincoln MKX vehicles built November 11th, 2014 through December 21st, 2017. So apparently the December 21st, 2017, it was a very pivotal time in the fact that they probably changed vendors or changed the part to another part. So what caused them to change this part, we don't know. They're not putting that out, but there will be letters coming out to you approximately middle of September in your mailbox identifying your vehicle by VIN number, telling you that you need to get new brake lines. Now, my research for the National Traffic Safety Highway Administration pretty much indicated a lot of complaints on the passenger side. Now, that doesn't mean the driver's sides aren't failing either, but it seemed like it was predominantly on the passenger side. But you still want to check everything, and in this video we'll go ahead and show you the difference between a 2011 brake line and a 2019 brake line for a Ford Edge that I own, and we'll go ahead and check that out right now. This here is on my 2011 Ford Edge Limited, and this is the front brake line. On the earlier models, as I stated, we're comparing this brake line to the second gen and 2.5 gen Ford Edge, and basically nice solid brake line, had a lot of years of service and no issues. So let's go ahead and check the 2019 out and see what that brake line looks like. Now this is the brake line all the way up through here for the 2019 Ford Edge Titanium. No problems with it. I don't see any bulges or anything else as far as any failure points on that, although this is torqued pretty hard right there. Yeah, this is the front passenger side, and seems to be the most common failure point, but in comparison, I'm going to say this one is slightly smaller compared to the other one, but feels like it's made of pretty much the same material overall. So maybe they changed this one and the other ones aren't the same. Don't know, but this is what they look like as far as the 2019 Ford Edge. Now, according to the Ford's notice, they're not aware of any reports of accident or injury related to this condition. It affects approximately 488,594 vehicles in federal territories of U.S. and federal territories, and about 62,876 Canadian vehicles and 7,140 vehicles in Mexico. Don't know about the rest of the world as far as that goes, but that's the numbers that they're doing. Now, if you go to the, like I said, the National Traffic Highway Safety Administration, This statement that they're not aware of reports of accident or injury may not be completely true. There were some noted accidents and complaints. So, but I didn't see anything about injuries. But hey, when you don't have brakes and you're using a car in front of you to stop, there's bound to be something going on. So, thankfully, in most cases, people are already applying the brakes, so that means we're probably going through low-speed situations in that aspect. City driving, traffic, I didn't see anything about a high-speed accident. So, that we are, happy for. We don't want anybody to get hurt. But this is a safety recall for the Ford Edge, Lincoln MKX vehicles of these model years 2015 through 2018, and then for the Lincoln MKX 2016 through 2018. Inspect your lines, make sure they're in good shape. It takes just mere 10 seconds to look. Run your hand on it. If it comes back wet, then Bob's your uncle, you shouldn't be driving it. Because you do have pending brake failure in that aspect. So you should be able to go and get this fixed for free because it is a recall. It will not cost you anything, irregardless of whether your car is out of warranty or anything else. And they will replace the front brake lines for free, and it'll take your time, and that's about it. For you to drop it off and pick it back up. Otherwise, it is on their nickel, and they will replace these brake lines at no charge to you. So that is a good thing. And the better thing is that you have brakes that actually stop you when you're driving. God forbid, I want you all to drive safe. Be careful, inspect your brake lines, and make sure that whatever happens, you do proper maintenance on your vehicles, and that will prevent a lot of issues from happening. But that is it. You'll get the letter here soon, and we'll carry on. This is MACTFORDEDGE, and by all means, like, subscribe, join my group, and also the YouTube channel. Watch those. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's always got great music, and Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners for you.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.